What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jordan Stamina back again with another video. If you guys are into sneakers and traveling, this is definitely the channel for you guys. So hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. We have another sneaker unboxing video for you today. Before we do that, smash the like button and hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. Oh my goodness, another day, another dunk. Again, you guys already seen this box over and over again, so check this out. Boom, we have the Nike Dunk Low Midas Gold. It is a crazy dunk. I mean, these look a lot better in hand. I mean, look, there's gonna be a lot of mixed reviews on this sneaker because a lot of people are saying that these are the Ronald McDonald's. A lot of people are saying a lot of different things about these. I personally think that these look a lot better in person. Quality it's meh. But anything compared to the Jordan 1 Light Fusion Reds, I mean, that's more closer to a McDonald's colorway than this is. But having said that, we're going to talk about the shoe in this video, and we're going to also talk about resale. So as you can see, we have the Midas Golds. It has more of like a burgundy, maroonish color in terms of the red. And then you see this gold, which is I guess the Midas Gold. You can see here on the toe box, you see that it's got the gold toe box. Let's just see what the color code is here. So this is Midas Gold, Tough Red, and White. This is the Tough Red. As you can see, you have the gold here with the Tough Red that basically goes all around the shoe. On the back of the heel, you see the Nike and the gold embroidery right there, and you also have the hint of the Tough Red here. You got hints of gold here and another hints of red. On the tongue, you have that gold tag with the hint of the red Nike logo. And as you can see, the sneaker comes with the red laces. I cannot see the sneaker come with another colored lace. I mean, see, look at that. It kind of does complement each other. And if you guys look closely, you have like speckles of different types of red on them, which is cool. You can see here that the swoosh is, again, it's red, and you got that gold side panel. As you can see the gold insole with the highlighter Nike logo right over there. This sneaker also consists of a white midsole, and on the outsole, you do have that Tough Red once again. This shoe is not going to be for everybody. I definitely think it's going to take quite a bit to warm up to the sneaker like this. I appreciate getting a sneaker for retail, which by the way, this sneaker retails for 135 Canadian dollars. It comes down to 152 dollars Canadian. Every dunk is going to be a little bit different, and to each their own. Now, what would I rate this sneaker out of 10? I want to say this is like a solid 7.5. Like I said, it's a nice colorway. It's going to be a little bit hard to wear. Burgundy and yellow, it's already out there. I feel like a lot of people will have a hard time pairing this up with a nice outfit, or if this type of color combination is out of your comfort zone. When it comes to resale on the sneaker, I think it's kind of a no-brainer for this one. I feel like these are gonna slowly go up, not too much though. I feel like you can make at least anywhere from like $50 to $80 to $100 right now. And do I see these sneakers going up in summertime? Not really. I mean, I feel like this is a sneaker that I don't think this is a sneaker that people are gonna necessarily ask for a lot, you know what I mean? If you haven't watched my last video, we did get the Merino Blues and we got a lot of pairs. I mean, look at the difference, guys. Two very different types of color blocking. Not to say this isn't a bad shoe, because honestly, this sneaker on feet is going to be a lot better than me having in hand, which I will show you guys in a bit. Two very different aesthetics. So here's the thing. Is this sneaker a hold right now? Yeah! I don't think so. I feel like this is a sneaker that you should sell right away and then after move on. If you could sell it locally, you definitely could do it, but I feel like you should just sell the sneaker and then move on. I mean, guys, it's a cool sneaker, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on feet. Let's be real though, I don't think a lot of people are going to wake up and want this shoe. But if this shoe is for you, I mean, it is a nice shoe, and I'm not bashing it, because keep in mind, everyone has different taste. Me personally though, if someone was going to ask me to buy this shoe off me, I'd probably sell it to them, to be honest. I did get my size in a 9.5. I like to go 9.5 in dunks. For sizing reasons, I like to go a half size up in dunks. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the Midas Golds. Is this a cop or drop, or are you going to flip these? Let me know in the comments down below. And also, don't forget to follow me on all my socials at Jordan Stamina, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Hit that subscribe button if you've made it this far in the video. And I appreciate you guys so much. So let's put these bad boys on feet, and hopefully this can change some of your minds. Peace. Okay guys, so I'm like not even gonna hold you guys. Arya is over here, you know, working away. Arya, I have something to tell you.
Yeah, what's up?
I think these are actually pretty ugly.
Honestly, I wouldn't wear them personally.
I feel like Ronald McDonald. Like, this is actually kind of hilarious. Like, they're not bad, but I don't feel good in them right now. Like, I'm not gonna hold you guys. I'm probably gonna sell these. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think though. I mean, listen guys, if you guys can pull this off, that's cool, but I don't know, on me, I definitely don't think this is a shoe for me. So comment down below what you guys think. I mean, like, it's not a bad shoe. I just think they're a little too bright for my liking. Like, I'd feel more comfortable putting those on, but I don't know. P.S. This cute girl said that these look like mustard ketchup. Seriously. They look like mustard ketchup.